Everybody, Richard Kidd here. This is going to be a tutorial on how to change your Facebook password. Since the mass Google passwords leak, I think that it's very important that we change our Google accounts, change our Facebook passwords, and sometimes Facebook can be quite complicated. So this is going to be a short and sweet walkthrough step by step on how to change your Facebook password. So let's just jump straight in. You want to log into your Facebook and just land on your home page on your wall. We're going to scroll over to the top right, click on the account button, and move down to settings and privacy. We're going to go then click on privacy center. Once this meta tab opens up, I'm going to click the search function. And we're just going to type in password, and we're just going to let this buffer and load. Then you'll see here it says your password or change password. I suggest just going change password. It's going to open up a new account, a new tab. This is the account center. This is where you're going to have access to all of your Meta accounts. Everything that you run in Meta, Instagram, and Facebook. And you can just select the account you want to make changes to and type in your current password, make changes. Now, it's important that you notice this little checkbox down the bottom. It's checked naturally. So if you don't want your accounts to be logged out, make sure you uncheck it. And the same goes for Instagram. And yeah, beautiful Meta suite that helps you change all your passwords. Nice and straightforward. Hope this helps.